So, we bought the cheapest drift car in the whole of Europe.
Golden, yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. Yeah, about to see it shine, 'cause we're golden.
So, really quick, before this video starts, please like and subscribe this video. That would help me out a lot. So, I'll see you after the video, during the video, I don't know. So, there you can see Lorenzo, the man of the job. So, we bought the cheapest drift car in the whole of Europe. So what I am looking at is a BMW E36 320i Coupe that has a M50 B25 swapped into it. The car also is on a cheap broken coilover setup. I'm just going to show you the car. So this is the car that we bought. We are ready.
Yeah, okay, Kenny.
So here you can see the car. It's on the trailer already, ready to take to our shop. It is missing some parts, but it is running, and when you yank this, it drives. We're going to do a custom exhaust through the trunk lid. Here you can see the bottom of the car. It has been a drift car because here you can see it has been in some tandems, and the door is also a bit bent, as you can see. So I'm going to, well, take it to our shop. So we're on our way. Here's the car on the trailer. I'm driving a Renault Kangoo, and we should be there in about 20 minutes. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's me. I am looking at the cheapest drift car you can buy, or that is ever being sold in the whole of Europe. Now, last time you saw this car was in previous clips, but a lot has happened since then. Our phone was dead, our camera was dead, and we couldn't record, and my friend's phone recorded the rest of the video, but his phone broke, and we never got to redo this video, well, this part of the video. So I'm going to go really fast with the car because I've noticed that people are not really interested in me talking because I'm not interesting. I'm sorry, but the talking has to be done. So this car, this is the drift car. Now, as you can see, we already put in seats, the steering wheel, the handbrake. That's pretty much it for the interior. The car has a budget angle kit, welded drift spares in the back, stock exhaust. The motor that is the most important part of the video, of course. The motor is a M50 B25. This is the motor that we're going to put in the purple car and turbo this instead of doing a 2-liter turbo, but I'm going to tell you more later. That's for another video. The car is missing headlights and a grille. We took out the sunroof and we noticed that this is not a original sunroof car. We damaged the, well, we damaged the roof, but that doesn't matter because we're going to put a plate on there anyways. And that's pretty much it for the car. This is going to be our seat time car. So yeah, I want to thank you. Next time you're going to see a video, it will take a while again. I'm sorry, but I've been very busy lately with the school and stuff. But next video should be pretty cool. I can't spoil it yet, but I'm doing a collab with another YouTuber. Now, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Golden, yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. we're golden.